Hello children, Corona is spreading throughout the world. Stay safe. Wash your hands with soap and water frequently. Cover your nose and mouth with a mask. Stay 6 feet away from others. Sanitize your hands whenever you cannot wash your hands. Disinfect the surfaces frequently. Isolate yourself if you are affected from corona. Dear parents, even though you are vaccinated, follow the precautionary measures. Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to English revision class. In today's English revision class, I am going to teach you few sight words. In the previous classes, we have learnt the CVC words where we have the vowel A as a middle sound, vowel E as a middle sound, and also the vowel I as a middle sound. We have learned the CVC words with these three vowels as the middle sound. Hope you have learned those words to read. In today's class, I am going to help you out to learn the sight words which are used frequently in English sentences and also the paragraphs. It is very necessary for the child to learn sight words as we see them frequently in sentences. These sight words should not be phonetically decoded. I mean and. And is a sight word. If I take the word and, the child should not read it as a, n and d. The child should directly read it as and. By looking at the word itself, the child should recognize the word. For that, it needs practice, well practice. Because the child has to read that word within a sight. It needs more practice. So dear parents, kindly help your children to practice to read the sight words. Make it a habit to read these set of sight words at least once or twice in a day. So, shall we see which are those sight words? In the earlier classes, by seeing the letter A, I have taught the children to read it as A phonetically. But in some sentences or in few sentences, when we see the letter A, for example, I will give you a sentence. Standing. A girl is standing. In this sentence, a girl is standing. We have to read letter A as A itself. Here the child should not read it as A, as he has learnt earlier. Because here it is a sight word, the child has to read it as A itself. A girl is standing. A. The next sight word I am going to give is the. Please help your child to read it as the. That the child should not split it and read it phonetically. It is not needed to read it phonetically. Just by seeing itself, he has to read it as the. Two. Two. And the last sight word that I am going to give you in this class is he. He. Dear parents, please write these 5 sight words in a notebook and help your child to read it regularly, daily, once or twice. Then the child will be familiar with these sight words, and in the further reading, wherever he sees these sight words, he will be able to read it as the, to, and, he, and a. Help your child to read it and also to write it in the 4-line book. The child may write it 2 times. After writing work is completed, take a snap and send it to the English and EVS assignment group. Thank you.